Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is gonna be a very quick video on a question that I have been seeing a lot, and also I have received messages around it. So this is basically how do you roll out a cash secured put, specifically focused on the Robinhood account. So that's what we are going to look at in this. If you want to know how to do it, then stick around and let's start. Okay, so I'm going to take an example of one of the plays that I did last week, which was Nvidia, that is being very volatile right now because of the AI craziness or whatever you may say that's going on right now. So I did play both ways. I did play cash secured put, and I also played on the call side. So let's see how you can roll it out. So this is the play that I'm doing right now. So I have a cash secured put, which basically says that if it dips below 415, right, that's where you would start to think about either rolling out this option or closing it out for a loss. Or so how do you do that? So in Robinhood, they have made it pretty easy. There are a couple of ways of doing it. Earlier it was slightly complex to do it. You would have to put a two option order where you basically reverse both of them one by one and then do it. But now I think you can use instead of doing that previous way, there is a easier way to roll out your option. So let's take this example, right? So in this case, what you can do is you would see an open and close, right? So the easiest way to do this would be you close this option. So you basically say that you are and in this case you will have to kind of put something in the middle. If you put in the ask, you will get filled very soon. So if you want to wait and see the best fill for this order, then you can put something in the middle. So let's say I put 55, right? That's the kind of in the middle. So you go ahead and you close this order. So you're basically selling this and you're buying this. So there's two option order that you're closing, and then once you close this, then immediately you basically go back to Nvidia again, and then you create a new order with the whatever let's say you are further rolling it down, right? So you can open, let's say you want to open at 405 and 400, this 500 spread that you want to open, right? So you open another cash secured put. So you basically sell this put and then you buy below that, right? So here you are getting a credit. So you are still would be you will have to do the calculation on how much you are getting a credit here, and how much you are getting how much you have to pay while closing, right? So you can change your expiry date. You maybe go a week out or a 2 week out to see if you end up in the credits side, because ultimately your whole aim of doing the credit spread is that you get paid upfront. You don't have to pay from your brokerage cash, right? So to recap this quickly, right, what we discussed, how to close it. So you basically in Robinhood, you close your position, and then you go back to the underlying whatever you are doing. In this case it was Nvidia. You go there and you open a new one. Either you can change your strike price, you can go below the strike price. If it is already going down, you can go further below on the strike price, so that you will have more room. Other way is you can keep a strike price same, like for 15 to 410, and but you change your expiry date, right? So instead of doing a week out, you go and do like 2 weeks out. So your final aim should be that you end up in credit. That's what I said before, right? So the whole idea of not paying out of your brokerage money, you basically get paid doing this, right? So this was the easiest way I have found in how to you roll out the options. Hope you have liked this video, and if you want to get more of the options trades that I do on a weekly basis, and if you are a complete beginner on the options trading and you want to learn more about options, doing spreads, doing different kinds of strategies on generating consistent monthly or weekly income out of your options trade, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I do look at all the comments. I will try to answer in the comment section. So happy investing, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Thanks.